here what I can see, it's this zone was not broken, even though a wick was just up. Here is interesting zone also.
Yeah, still not used, and indeed high volume.
Yeah, this one. Plus, it happens in from London till New York. What I usually do is I go till Frankfurt session and then draw the zones and see what Asian session is trying to do. So here now we are in Frankfurt session and check it now. So this looks like an array of interest. I don't see any clear zone, any clear demand zone here. So what I will do is
very similar candles.
Copy this and check if I can see any zone in 1 hour. Any zone that it makes sense to have a look at it. I don't see any clear zone. So
do you regard this area as a zone?
Yes, I would. Yeah. I just wanted to say this.
It sounds, but it's not clear. I mean, volume is almost the same. But yeah, I will draw just to have.
Yeah. So just 2 words about this. I agree that we should don't like the break of the zone, especially by such a week. But this could be also probably on the volume profile. Here's the strong range on the same price level. Here could be the demand from market profile, especially that your mark zone just broke the previous lower high. Yeah, so here could be the imbalance, and that's why we see the huge wick which broke the demand, because maybe it was the aggressive filling the orders.
Yeah.
And here could be really the demand where buyers held the price to continue the upward move. Just my logic explanation in my head, of course.
Really, on the lower time frame, this could basically be a demand. It's come up, taken highs here, come back, retraced into this demand, wicked down, and then it's moved up again and broken these highs.
Yeah. I mean, it also makes sense to break Asian low here.
Yeah.
Do a liquidity grab for a move up.
Good.
Usually Asian highs and Asian lows, I do it in 15 minutes because it gives me a better range. So from here I can see, just going to copy this one. So here is Asian low. And here is Asian high.
Oh, someone is also as happy as me with kid in the home.
Not me for sure.
Ah. I just thought I hear a kid. Maybe this was TV or radio.
Yeah, it's my kids.
Ah, okay.
I think this is a zone to have it, to check it if anything happens because it's a nice volume and also a difference in volume,
Yeah.
like 1,000. This one looks better in 30 minutes also because it's a clear leg out with higher volume. This demand zone in one hour. And something this candle looks like a news to me because it might because it's just only a wick and 55 pips.
Yes.
Candles, I think.
Something definitely happened here.
Yeah.
And this is also interesting. Something is interesting. What recently Norman taught me, and also Alex, just by interest, yes, by try to measure the wick from this candle, and see what happened just before Frankfurt.
Yeah, that's a 50%. This is 50%.
Just here on this, not this week, but the previous, also the previous one. Okay, here, exactly. Yeah.
This one here.
Yeah.
And what are you saying about this one?
Draw a fib on it, Oran.
Oh, okay.
Put a fib on it and just show the 50% mark.
Just the wick, the lower
Just the wick
part.
on the bottom, just the lower half.
Okay.
Yeah. There.
Because all the entire candle looks like a wick.
Yeah, exactly. So this is probably news of some sort.
Yeah, I think so because as you can see here, it went down, then up again, and a small body.
Yeah. So what news candles looks like? There's always huge absorption on the news, where the one side is winning with another, and what happened here before the Frankfurt on the Asian session, it could be filling or retest of the absorption. Yes, this is not the knowledge from the intermediate part of the course. This is just my own looking also for some logic. Yes, because I saw this on the chat on our group, and I'm looking for reasons why to measure the 50% of weak of important candles, and this makes sense. Yes, this is retest of absorption from the past. So it could only confirm that buyers really still want to hold the price and that we are looking for buys. Just a confirmation, yes. But I see that more and more people are really measuring the huge wicks, not every week, but the huge ones.
Okay, so I don't see any clear zone in 30 minutes here. So I'll continue with 15 minutes if I can see anything.
Oh, Tim asked, on what time frame do I usually look for wick?
Okay.
What I do is I kind of look for it on the higher time frame, so 1 hour, 4 hour daily, and see how that, as Oran is doing, how that correlates to the lower time frame. If there is any defined zone within that area, and only then do you kind of utilize it. So it's not something that you want to look for all the time, because as you can see, for example, here there's a wick, but the wick clearly just gets mitigated. Okay, it doesn't form any more reaction, at least behind equal highs here. This wick comes down, takes this inefficient wick here, 50% of this one, and then it takes the highs. So it's something that you want to kind of watch for on the higher time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour daily, and just see, as Oran is doing, whether there's a zone of interest that you want to kind of factor in around other areas of liquidity. So only look for this, obviously, in discounted fib levels, areas of equal lows, equal highs, Asia high, Asia low. It's got to combine with something else to give it weight.
Yeah, it needs to make sense. I mean,
yeah, and here it's nicely matched with our demand zone, with break of the previous lower high, break of structure. So a few factors.
Because of that.
Mm-hmm.
Also because of the news, I think it's almost the same in all time frames, 1 hour.
I just try to imagine how many orders could be stacked here in this week. Yes, after this news, how aggressive buyers appear on the market. Yeah. So this could be really indeed a good key level to towards
Yeah, I
the
mean
future.
it's a tricky price action because it took the stop losses here and here also. So
Yeah, that's why we don't trade news.
yeah. Okay, so in 15 minutes you can.
Sorry guys, I need to go for a few seconds because my kid has started singing, and I don't want to record this for others. I will be back soon, okay?
Okay.
Sure. Okay, so in 15 minutes, this is a weak zone. I think
Yeah, I'm back.
I will
Sorry.
not do smaller zones because I think 30 pips till the next zone. I don't want to see any rejection here. I mean, even if it happens, it's a no trade zone here.
Agreed. Yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, I would kind of also be looking at this area to see, because obviously the market has obviously respected it before, and then it's kind of retained itself at this level just above Asia high. So there could be a possibility of liquidity grab up into this area and then actually even sell down through this because the zone's been mitigated. So that's something else that I'd have in the back of my mind. But the bet would be.
It looks like a zone because here, as you can see, price rejected once here,
Yeah.
price rejected here, price made the support here. It looks an interesting area.
Yeah.
Too near. It's only 9 pips.
Yeah, agreed. According to Seb's strategy, we probably wouldn't factor this in because you're so close to the supply. You just want to wait to see what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's inducement. To me personally, this candle here is inducement of orders, just to only drive the price down deeper.
Yeah, very good.
I mean, it's I can mark it as
Yeah,
5 minute zone here.
it's just something that you may get a short-term reaction from, but again, we probably don't want to see a big sell from that.
Okay, sorry for all the colors, but I just
Yeah, that's fine. Could you just measure the distance between the main demand, the higher edge, and to the supply?
I mean, it's only 8-9 pips.
I just mean from the lower edge of the new supply.
New supply?
Yeah, from here to the main demand zone. How big distance is that? 22.
Okay.
Yeah, this is something good.
Yeah, it's worth keeping in mind. Okay, so let's go to 1 minute. And
Yeah, never forget, new guys, to change the M1.
yeah,
If you don't want to see the future and destroy your markups and whole session.
okay, so what I'm waiting now is taking.
It's not a beer. Sorry for the sound.
And then see the break of structure because here we don't have imbalance tool. Okay, price is near breaking the Asian high.
Go over to the left a bit, please, Oran, so we can see what's happening over here with the equal highs. Yeah, okay. So we can see price as well, sorry. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, it's the Asian high.
Okay.
Yeah,
Looks
so
like
we've got
resistance.
equal highs here, equal highs. Liquidity up there.
Okay. Also high volume candle.
Yeah,
11 minutes after Frankfurt open.
yeah. Yeah, so to me, this was a liquidity grab right here, and then obviously it's compressed up. It's left behind highs right at Asian high, and then this rejection is what I'd probably be looking to trade aggressively. But you probably want to see a retest. We may not get it because Asia high sometimes doesn't retest.
Yeah, I mean, what I usually do is back testing. Usually, I wait for a clear 1 minute zone
Yeah, yeah,
break of structure because I jumped many times and
And
only
price held.
like,
yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
yeah, definitely.
and it many times it's a continuation. So.
Yeah,
Okay, so
And so also what I don't like is just the price just topped the Asian high level.
yeah. So it's left behind equal highs at the top of Asia now.
Yes, I like to see whole candle above as a taking liquidity or trying
Yeah,
to manipulate and just reject it. How what it made it
new equal highs
yeah, it's
with
created a
Asian.
resistance here.
Okay, so let's see next candle.
yeah. So
Great.
this is the thing. So two candles before is what I kind of would have pulled the trigger because we got rejection. Um, but that's just me because I personally see equal lows down here as well.
Uh, okay, I mean it's not still between my criteria. Yeah, I mean I could have a look at this one because high volume
Yeah,
near the zone, sign that price is trying to break this 1 minute demand zone.
But we also are so close to main demand.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I would be personally not ready for anything because price is in the middle. Yes, maybe it is a selling,
Yeah,
maybe it is
I'm
waiting
not
for a
selling.
buy.
Selling so close to demand, I'm not selling. Just I wanted to see the price near this demand zone because it looks like a good demand here, high volume, and I just want to see the reaction here because I'm not selling just so close for
Yeah,
pips.
yeah,
this
You
is
know.
it. So you see,
And
this
here, as
could
you
this
can
could
see,
be the one candle before. Yes, this could look like as a break of structure. But the question
yeah,
is
but
if really the liquidity was taken from the Asian high, and if this is worth the game such a close to the demand. Yes,
plus I don't believe this low volume break of structures and also
yeah,
open of the candle was half a pips up, and usually where there is a bullish pressure or bearish pressure, candles tend to
they'll
start,
fill it. Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
yeah, that week
higher or
could
low
also
at
mean
the end.
how strongly buyers push the price back.
Yeah, yeah,
Wow, wow, we were, yeah,
yeah.
something stronger.
Now here it looks like equal.
yeah, yeah. The liquidity. Yeah,
Oh, I see that Frodo and Mabel joined us. Very good. Freedom Trades is Frodo, I believe.
Yes,
Okay, hello.
I'm here. Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
So we don't have the broken clay today. Okay, everything's good.
wow.
Okay, so nice. This one is
Looks
gonna
like missed buy, yes, but we didn't have a clean invitation from
Yeah.
demand. We joined the market too late. So in this case, when price is so far away from demand, what would be the focus now?
Continuation.
I just mean what you would be looking for, yes, really join
nah,
the
I would
buyers
not.
right now or look maybe for a sell because we are close to the supply.
We'll just wait for it to get to supply to see
Yeah.
if there's a
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right.
That's
So
why
don't buy
I
to
did
the
that.
zone because the move is already big and
But then
price
here
can
you
trick
you got
you.
danger of being liquidated because you don't know. As I'm well experienced, when you're buying into an area of interest, you've always got the aspect of the market can liquidate you at any time. So you want to be very careful how you trade.
Exactly. So taking a buy from here, because this supply looks so obvious as a target, could just create the liquidity and turn back down. Yes. So
Plus that zone.
it's happening a lot of time. Only stocks have so good experience with that.
Okay, so rejection from this 5-minute supply.
Yeah.
And high volume. Let's see. So this 5 minutes just closed. High volume near this one.
Yeah, and took also the previous high, which missed the zone in the past.
Yeah. Yeah.
Interesting. And
Yeah,
looks
I'm
like
trying
also
to
compression, yes, in this time frame. Could be a compression.
Yeah, but without.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay, so this looks like an equal high to me, since we don't have. If it would use footprint, I would look like 5 minutes with any absorption on it. But since we are using only broker's volume, I just want to see a liquidity grab before entering a new position.
Yes, I agree with you. In one side, the first part is like the incomplete compression,
Yeah,
without
then
because the candles fall in a special pattern, the specific move, but without the last push. And second thing is that it really looks like price left the resistance equal highs just below the supply zone. So I would be also waiting for
On this
strong.
basis, Brian, could you also please pull a 50% fib on that rejection wick, please, into the supply?
Yeah. Close, but
Yeah, close but not great. It wouldn't. Because
because as well, volume is low here.
yeah,
This would be
yeah,
good.
yeah. This could probably be a good sell opportunity to go.
Yeah. At least
And it has been tested twice, but we'll see what happens.
Okay, so this one.
So
Just let's do 5 minutes.
not bad if we missed a buy and we missed a sell. Personally, both setups were not with all good criteria for me personally. I wouldn't take any of these two trades.
Yeah, I'm just on the way. Sometimes I'm doing impulsive entries more than it's needed in real trading. But while I'm backtesting, I'm trying to be more patient.
Yeah, we have more time.
Yeah, because I can skip post the candles, so trying to apply it in the real accounts also. But yeah, this for me, it needs to have a clear in order for me to jump in, especially while backtesting, because I can do the next bar with a click. So
Sorry.
no worries.
Nothing obvious right now.
This is also a retest of that equal highs.
Yeah.
That's why I was.
Yes, it was resistance which became support, and once again resistance. The retail traders paradise.
Yeah, I was thinking about this as a break of structure, but it's had a low volume.
Yeah, and
So,
still be aware that this is so close. We are a few pips above main demand zone.
yeah,
So very dangerous. He looks like a ping pong game, and no one knows what to do.
even if I mean, taking out this Asian low, it's
SCTP.
like 17 pips. It's not bad, but it's risky.
Yes, because it's not a rule that buyers are waiting for Asian low. Yes, maybe they're waiting for the first part on demand zone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very picky with trades. That's only me.
Candle opening higher, it looks like a bullish pressure.
Yeah, so it's attacking that same zone again.
Yeah.
And what we have now, once again, support above demand. Crazy
Kind of.
moves. Something is cooking.
Like equal.
Could you check if there are any news, incoming news, because the price is so ranging for pound, high impact news. In 2 hours. Yeah,
2
in 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
So maybe that's why price is preparing.
Yeah, it's ranging before the.
Yeah, before read for the news.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can continue, of course. Just it is good to
No,
check
trade
it
it.
when you're backtesting why the hell the price is so rangy, because it's showing nothing for us right now. It's still in same price level as in the beginning of session.
Yeah, I mean we started and
Just one big move and that's it. No.
Here what I would be interested to look is footprint chart, because I saw one thing. Let me see that usually when price is consolidating with candles, small candles, I'm checking real volume. Usually here is any bullish volume, very high, for example 300 or something, but price is still consolidating. And if it's positive, it's usually a trap, because price it's near a downward move, yeah, or other way around. If price is consolidating, high volume but negative delta, price is preparing for big up move. Not every time, but many times. I'm trying to find as much as these patterns and see how many times it's happening.
So you are focused on delta then, yes? Probably you sent me the small PDF yesterday. It was you, okay.
Yeah.
So I will take a look on it and also share the idea with group.
Yeah, I mean it's that's why.
Because it confirmed what you said already. Yeah, that's consolidation of small candles, and if here would be the big change of delta, we could expect the buy, and it happened. It's amazing. Damn, yeah.
It
would be nice.
Many times. Usually footprint chart, I'm checking this one.
And did you find this by yourself, or did you find this on some other course or YouTube, or just his own observation?
No, I'm not in any other course. I just
own observation.
Yeah.
So perfect, yes.
Sometimes you mention on the summary of data.
Sorry, my kid is screaming. Damn.
Okay, so this looks like a.
So, Oran, you're basically saying that where the market consolidates with these small candles, with larger wick, small body candles, indecision type candles, and then you see a shift in positive delta, you kind of want to expect the buy to occur, or would this be with negative delta?
No, if positive delta, I would expect the price to go
Yeah.
in positive direction, but main move would be going down.
Yeah.
But if negative delta, while consolidating, price is preparing to do a contra move. For example, negative delta, high volume, consolidating, it means that price is preparing for a big bullish move, and the other way around. I don't know
And
if
would that bullish move just be a short-term move to then go for sells, or is the actual move that's going to be materializing?
main move would be here. Okay, so can you hear me, guys?
Yeah.
Everything's fine.
Okay, power came back up. I don't know what happened. It's poor country's problems. You don't even imagine.
Where are you based, Oran?
I am from Kosovo.
Kosovo, okay.
Yeah. It's usually don't happen this, but also happened in uh, first session. I don't know why.
But this need to be annoying when you are trading live. You are
Yeah.
scalping and then
Oh my
boom!
Yeah.
No power.
I don't actually have MT4 on my phone at all. I only trade off the platform. But in that type of a situation, I don't know what I would do.
I mean, I usually hotspot from the phone, but it's still annoying. Yeah, it's because if I go to a pub, it's not working with real volume because of IP restriction.
Yeah.
So that was very very annoying. Okay, so from here.
Yeah, good that we can continue and you don't need to make new markups or new zones.
It's already. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, everything is good. Just want to really say once again that I'm so happy that you are able to. This is similar to what I mentioned at announcement channel today, to create own strategy or find new things by testing. Yes, it means how a lot of time is spent on footprint to find that small candles, range, change of delta will probably give you a sign of bulls or bears. This is impressive. This is how I also created my own strategy, and it works perfectly now. Yes, wonderful, Oran. This is very good that you are still learning yourself. Yes, and looking.
Thank you. Since having a footprint is you can only live test it. I'm trying to get.
Yeah, but probably
days
he was
testing
shift on
it.
delta. Yes, we are just close to the news. Very good
Okay.
job.
Well, thank you. Let's see what the price is trying to do.
Nothing else than mess.
Yeah, to me, this is basically a bait for early sellers to try and basically get them duped into sell, supposedly trying to take equal highs, faking out a sell, and then it's going to come back, liquidate, and possibly sell again.
I mean, the profit scenario would be at liquidity.
Yeah.
Would happen here
You have
in
very
this zone.
close
30
zones. Yes.
Yeah. This is a stronger zone, I think, because it's 30 minutes high also in a 1 hour supply. So.
And we also know that news are coming. We are very close to the
Yeah.
next supply, so
Yeah.
it could be really, as Norman said, Stacks, that maybe this is invitation for early sellers and to kick them out.
Yeah, as you can see, the next candle opened 1.8 pips above the closer of the previous one.
Whoa.
Yeah, this is the time of news. Yes, this is the red folder news now.
I think we need to wait 1 more hour. I don't know what's
Uh-huh.
to the next event is
It might be daylight savings time. So I don't know whether it actually shows.
Yeah,
on-
because
because it's not making sound because for such a big move it should have been it's
25 pips, one
definitely
candle.
news, yeah. Maybe it's because before last week of March when time
yeah,
changed.
it's an hour difference.
This
Yeah.
was insane, but maybe for the news this one.
Yeah.
should- Let's see. Yeah, definitely the news. Such a big candles. 1 minute, 10 pips candles and 25 pip candles. Nothing but the news.
Yeah, it's totally unusual. Yes. We see candles like
Let's-
2-3 pips.
Yeah, let's see. Here we have also another zone.
So sharp move, even with small gap. Yeah, so that could be our fresh demand, maybe.
Yeah, I mean we can use it as a TP.
And also that push broke the previous zone. So I wouldn't use this supply as a swap because I'm not a swap trader, but I would mark the whole demand because
Yeah,
this move caused
this
the
as a
break.
whole is 4 hour supply, and these are smaller supply
Yeah.
zones.
Yeah.
Let's see the reaction there.
So more than likely it could go to the green one.
Yeah. This also looks like a kind of compression.
Exactly.
Mhm.
Big 5 minute scan.
Yeah, this is crazy. The retail traders see the so rally, they probably are trying to join the buyers, and we are focused on the sell.
Yeah. Now it's testing that 30 minutes.
Yeah, and this question is if that was the complete compression. It just
Mhm.
tapped the lower edge of supply, and
Oran, could you see where you've drawn that supply, how it kind of works out with the supply candle, whether we've actually already touched the open of that candle?
In 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So we are 30 minutes before this candle closes. And this one is, I think it should be in New York session. New York opening created this. Just let me check the sessions.
yeah, so it could be like here on the left. Oh, sorry, I still don't know how to make drawings on the Zoom. I need some lessons. Just
And then
before the
at
supply.
At the top it says you are viewing your Oran screen, yeah? It says view options. Click on view options. There's a drop down box. And then you go to annotate.
Yeah, I'm very poor with apps.
There's like a green box that says you are viewing Oran Kastari's screen.
Yeah, if you're on the phone, you would have it.
Oh, you're on the phone, right?
No, I'm on the computer. But wait, never mind. I just need to
Oh.
make this not live. I just mean just before your supply, there's perfect equal highs and a huge buy for a sell. So really, for me, before the zone, even before the zone, you have the equal highs. Before your big markup,
Oh, okay,
yeah,
okay.
here, yes,
You
So-
mean
yeah,
to
exactly.
consider
This
this
and
as a
here's the
liquid
huge demand just for a buy to make a sell. So for me, it's really very, very, very important zone to really look for a sells because it's like textbook preparation for sellers.
Yeah, just higher time
Wonderful.
frames. It looks like it makes totally sense because equal highs liquidity grab
Yeah.
Yeah.
respecting of this quite
So
good demand.
this is amazing. Really try to imagine how many retail traders are looking right now for a buy. Yeah, after such a huge move.
Yeah, also this is a 1 hour supply zone.
So it's what I was also saying, this line here, so this,
Yeah, it's liquidity grab also in 1 hour.
yeah,
Okay, I can update this zone just to have it based
Yeah.
off 1 hour. Okay, let's go to. Yeah, this gives also a more
yeah.
More room.
for final push of compression. Okay, let's continue.
Again, invitation for early sellers.
Exactly. Early sellers or maybe soon also invitation for buyers.
Let's check in 5 minutes if I can see any clear zone.
Yeah, still here could look like maybe a small demand, which is still try to hold the price.
This one here?
Yeah, I would say that maybe just in case I would draw this as a base. This one candle.
Yeah, I mean, we can consider if anything, any candle in 1 minute would happen here with high volume
Yeah.
as a break of structure, and then see the reaction.
Yeah, because it's happening also a lot of time that the last demand is trying still to hold the price before the break. I was trapped a lot of time by selling just above the demand.
Okay, so this looks like hungry candle in a strong supply zone. I can draw the fibs just to see the reaction. I'm not planning to enter before break of structure here. I can do that here. Yeah. Okay, so this looks like last push of compression. I will wait for break of structure here and see the reaction.
Just be aware of this demand also, yeah. It looks
Is it
like very good.
Yeah, I mean it is, but it's not clear volume here, even though we are using brokers volume, but I don't see it as a strong zone. But yeah, we can wait potentially for a break of structure of this zone. I mean it's 5 pips zone. Tell that the zone.
Crazy ranges.
Okay, so I'm just measuring here to see the reaction of the 50s in here. Not valid enough.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, I agree. I would also be looking for this 50, but without such a big confidence. because the structure
No,
is
no,
not
just-
still not so broken. But yeah, the measurement was good, and I like the fact that you deleted this because
Yeah,
huge
longer
candle
valley.
appeared. Yes, this.
Yeah. If it would have any imbalance here, I would see the reaction, but since we don't have it,
Yeah,
it's no more valid.
just broke it. Yeah.
Yeah.
If
The
there
whole
was-
point here is why would we regard this candle as an area of interest when it hasn't actually taken demand here?
It is just in case because there are two options how to join the trade. There's in one side there's a break of structure already after that strong push. So if we believe that the last bullish engulfing candle was a liquidity grab,
Yeah, we can consider this as a resistance. I mean, as a support, and this one as a break of structure. That's why I measure this one.
Right.
High volume.
but anyways it is invalid. Yes, we
Yeah.
if there would be
There's
potentially
no
in the
more, yeah.
50% some imbalance, it was just broken.
I mean, it's a big zone, so we have to wait. We can wait for this break of structure because
Yeah.
we can catch some pips.
Yeah, it was just checking, yes, looking for a setup, and I really like the idea of marking and then deleting it. Very good. And now it's obvious sign that it was invalid completely. Yes, right. Just
Yeah.
went through it.
This was a sign for early sellers. It looks like
Yeah.
because it broke the zone for 3-4 pips.
Would this be regarded as a test of this last push? Would you-
Yeah.
I
Still,
mean,
I believe that it could be, but still the demand is
the demand hasn't broken yet.
yeah, can hold the price.
just let me see in other time frames. So rejection. I mean, it looks like
It's indicating it wants to sell.
yeah. I mean, it looks like a good sign of rejection.
Yeah.
All the time frames. And let's see, this one it's breaking out this zone. High volume. Let's see.
Mm.
Yeah, but I wouldn't enter here with
Yeah, because
only.
you haven't taken demand yet.
Yeah. This one is it's good. If we treat this as one candle, it's a bearish one with high volume.
Yeah, it can indicate the break of this demand,
Yeah.
but this is just still a plan. Yeah, so
No,
we need to
it's
see the
not clear,
confirmation,
it's
but
just a sign. Yeah,
but-
it's just a sign of bearish pressure.
the reading is good.
Okay. So now I'll check if in 5 minutes do we have a clear. Yeah. I mean, in 5 minutes we have this candle here. I just would measure here and would update the zone to the supply in 5-minute demand. Supply, I mean 5 minutes flat. And see the reaction here. Because all these candles were responsible for this break of structure in 5 minutes, and the volume is good in these two last candles. Rejection with high volume. Okay. I don't know why this one is not updated. Okay, so price rejected from this one, but with high volume.
And even next candle is also with higher volume. Yeah.
Yeah.
Always take a look on what the volume could indicate.
Okay, so what I'm waiting is now it's either price is coming down to this 15% fib, or retesting of this supply zone with low volume.
Yeah, so
Because
two
here
good
we have
ideas.
some imbalance pool in 1 minute. We can have some orders left here.
And just take a look now, because it's tricky, about only the volume. It's still increasing, yes?
Yeah.
So for me,
Well,
this setup right now for a sell would be invalid. Looks perfectly, yes? We probably see the break of structure. We probably have the sell setup. Price is sitting around the 50%,
Yeah,
but the volume is still going up. This is
Yeah.
very important to see decreasing volume, not increasing.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to see if price is coming down, or here.
Or secondly,
that-
the supply.
I-
So
Yeah. Taking this
very good.
gap in 1 minute and then waiting for a
So now we are sitting on the trap, but maybe higher is still a setup.
Yeah. Okay,
And
so
this is why
that's
we are
it.
not entering with increasing volume. Yes, perfect
Yeah.
example.
Yeah, that's
Perfect example to remember.
Yeah.
And now such a strong
So-
move created a demand. Yes, this is
Yeah.
Wow.
But now I will wait for this demand in 1 minute to be.
this.
Right.
They needed a lot of patience to see the setup.
Yeah. Also, this is for. I mean, it's a retail pattern. The rejection in 15 minutes. Many jumped here.
Yeah, they
and
tried.
they-
They try to liquidate a lot of both sides. Yes, early
Yeah.
sellers, the buyers. Hardcore.
Yeah, this is making sense because most of the stop losses are here.
Yeah, just
in
above.
the zone. Yeah. Bye bye. Retail traders. For 20 minutes, retail traders, many orders were here, so.
Yeah, and this is why
Not
the
anymore.
patience is so important for us. Yes, and looking for the volume.
Yeah.
But he was really, I agree, very good setup for a sell, but with opposite
yeah,
bars of volume.
That's why I'm waiting for clear setup to appear and combining it with low volume, because it's secret sauce
Yeah.
for this. This one.
Another compression. Wonderful day.
And now decreasing volume.
Just let me check if any news. It's in 4 minutes. It's medium impact.
Is
This one is saying 11, but I think it would happen in 10.
Yeah, so probably in 3 minutes we can expect another
Yeah.
move. So take a look. What is here? Equal highs and the supply, and incomplete compression as the second high. Yes. I know that sometimes the waiting for a setup is taking a lot of time. So it is good to have your own rules about the time and spend in front of charts. Yeah, so for example, I like to sit to the noon, like 4 hours from Frankfurt opening time. Because we can sometimes wait a lot of time seeing always the equal highs, equal lows, equal highs, equal lows, and not a setup.
Yeah, I mean that's why you get paid to wait.
Yeah, so still, can something happen to the upside? Yes. Well, now the
Yeah.
news probably happening. Triple high, perfect setup for retails. Yes. We are not trading triple highs,
No.
triple tops. Oh, yeah.
We are trading only if
So you guys
liquidity grab will
understand what we are waiting for now, yes?
happen. Yeah.
It's the perfect resistance right now.
if liquidity grab would happen, I mean, I would be interested also to see the break of structure, any kind of break of structure with high volume. Not so much impact on this news or
Yeah, no, it's not great impact news. It's just monetary policy.
Oh yes.
okay. So
There's one
now-
candle that was
now,
juicy.
Yeah. This one was good.
So the wick above, yes, could mean that here we have absorption.
Yeah.
Yes, some stock orders, some sellers were stopped by buyers, or a lot of sell limit orders were activated in this one candle. It's very specific. Yes, the half of this candle is just a week.
Bye, Timothy. See you.
Oh, Tim,
I'm
you
sorry
cannot.
if
Okay.
I'm going slow, but just commenting every move and every. Because when I'm backtesting myself, I just only do skip, only wait for my interest zones. But here we are trying to comment why the move happens.
So bye, Tim, and thank you for being with us.
Okay, so this candle was responsible for this break of structure. Relatively high volume compared to the previous candles.
And also nicely broke the trend line in halfway.
Also
Yeah.
created a supply, 1 minute supply here. This makes sense because this equal high is also 50% of this break of structure.
Nice.
Let's see.
Just mark, just in case, please, the last demand. The last small demand on M1 is also very important by looking for a complete break of structure. Just a small tiny thing, yes. For example, for that reason, if it will hold, yes, the price, will hold the price. But what is going on with volume? Yes, still increasing, so it's a sign of breaking it.
Decreased on this. But okay, hardcore would be 4.5 pips stop loss. But I'm worried about this here. Let me see if 5 minutes is telling me something. It's already finished.
But it also, on the
There's
5
a
minute
way.
here,
Yeah.
we have some kind of
Okay, I'll wait.
a lot of zones due to this range. Yes, it's very tricky, but I believe that we are almost, that this move is already happening. Just the matter of finding the correct entry.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. I'm taking the risk of another candle. Maybe it's okay.
Yeah, so now as a comment, I will do my best to not give you the entry, as I believe in you also. But on M1, take a look. This is just my comment, of course. I agree with that 50, the 50% which you marked, but also if we broke just the last small demand on M1, and price probably created the fresh supply here by breaking some zone. So by logic, it would be good to wait for back to the 50% and also break the supply. Yes, so I hope that you understand what I mean. That
You mean here go
Yeah,
and
but
sell?
going up to the 50 needs to break the supply. So, but breaking the supply is showing the seller's weakness. Yeah, so
Okay, let's see the reaction. Okay,
so
so
now
this
price
is
is
a
reacting with supply. Yes,
yeah.
and if it will broke this supply just to reach the 50, there is the question: if broken supply means that sellers are ready to sell, even if they are sitting on the 50%. Yes, I would be focused on the fresh thing, the supply, because if supply will hold the price, the actual one here, where the price is already.
This one here?
Yeah, because if this will be broken, it would mean really that the sellers are not ready.
Yeah, yeah, but also it's not clear supply for me because it's a wick and the body of the this.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying about that this is probably the supply because price broke the previous M1 demand. Yes, by breaking the zone, it was 3 indecision candles and then a leg out.
Okay, what we can do is put the 5 minutes candle here.
Yeah, I
And
just
see the
mean only
reaction.
the the logic in here, because if price will come back up, this can be liquidity grab for buyers.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying. You're saying that if that supply doesn't hold, it is maybe buyer's momentum
Yeah,
to buy again. Yeah,
yeah,
just
very tricky setup right now.
yeah, but just that I don't consider this one as a clear supply. That's
Okay.
why it's okay. I mean, it's just my opinion, but okay. So it looks like this supply is it's okay. Okay, so near 1 minute demand and 5 minute demand. So break of this, I will try to find an entry. Even though from the top till here we have 20 pips
Wow.
moves. It was a huge 4 hour supply. Okay, so this one is what I'm interested in now.
Yeah, and also created another fresh supply which caused the
Yeah.
break of demand. Yes, so we have two levels to watch: the 50% and overall the supply as a zone.
This one here.
And probably you could delete the M30 supply, the violet one or the purple one, because it was already broken.
Yeah, yeah. Long before.
Yeah.
Okay, so I need to remove it.
No way.
Okay, so what I will do is update this 5 minutes because this is a good zone for me. Why so? Is because the one that it created a leg out
Yeah, and it
supply and break of the
broke
zone.
this whole range.
Yeah,
And
so I would be really interested.
very
in-
good. Very good. I like the switching the time frames. Yeah, you're doing well.
Okay, so this fits also correspond with the 1 minute supply here.
Yeah. Check out the volume.
Decreasing volume.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I will do is use use 5 pips stop loss. Why I'm doing this is because maybe come back here to fill this gap. I mean, not gap imbalance in 1 minute, and I'm giving this chance to have some space to hit my stop loss, and I'll check the next proper zone. It looks like and switch time frames. Yeah, this one, it looks like 30. I will go 30 and I'll try to manage while going down.
Very good. And also, even if maybe I would use the lower, tighter stop loss.
Yeah, I mean,
I agree
was
with yours,
thinking
yes.
about 4. Why so? Because we have this space, but 4
But
is.
in other
a
case,
little
breaking
bit-
this supply could mean also that buyers still have something to say.
Okay, I see your point. You're thinking
Just-
that if this
Just that's why, yes.
doesn't hold, it could be still a bullish graph.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll use 4 with 2.
Yes, because look at
With
the
30
left. On the left, we have a support. Yes.
Yes.
We have a support here, and also equal lows with even more on the left. Yes, so if that supply would be broken, it could mean that it's a liquidity grab for buyers. So that's why I would set very tight stop loss.
Oh, okay, so you either are right or this is not a valid setup.
But yeah,
Okay.
I believe I would also
Whenever
enter
I'm not-
with you.
Whenever I'm not so sure, I use the 3 pips stop loss because I think this is as a general rule. But okay, let's see then. So we're in.
And what were I aiming for? 30 pips. Okay. Nice distance.
I mean, I'll manage it going down because what I usually am doing now it's 15 to 17 pips. I'm securing 80% of my position because many times the price is going 17, 15 to 18 and 20 pips. I'm not
And reversal.
securing my I'm not getting, so it's going to the next stop loss, maybe 5-6 pips in profit. So I don't want to lose that till I get my confidence managing trades. Okay, let's see.
Yeah, let's run.
Okay,
Woo!
so
Profits!
next one is bearish with higher volume.
Yeah, so supply is holding the price. Very
Yeah.
good sign.
Yeah,
But this is just 1 minute in trade.
Yeah, this supply also is 50% of 5 minutes. zone,
Exactly.
so not bad. Okay, this one is
So
nice.
it wasn't liquidity grab from buyers. It's only confirmation that we are on the good side of the market. So we are very good.
Yeah. Okay, so what I can do is move, since this is I know it's early to move, but I think I can save half pips.
So small lower risk, yes.
Yeah, because if it breaks this zone, it's no longer valid as a setup. So
Yeah, so that could be on the initial setup, just set by 2 pips, for example. But also remember about moving very early the stop loss. What happened to you yesterday or 2 days ago?
Yeah.
You moved and you were kicked out.
I only tried to say like a half pips and I was out.
Yeah.
I
You just wanted to move by a half pip and it ended with a loss. Crazy.
If you never try, you'll never know. So I'm trying to learn by experience it. Okay, so this makes my decision even more valid, because now we have a 10 pips gap till the stop loss, so I think we should be okay now. Okay, so price is going down, bearish pressure, volume is increasing, so it's a good sign that price is trying to go lower. So 5 minutes, I don't see any clear zone here, so we're clear to the left, yeah. At least what I can do is see the reaction with this zone.
Also, yeah, very good. This could be the key level.
Let's wait. So we got some pips still there. There's some 12 pips there. Okay, so we are up. How many pips? 8 pips. 8. So I'll check this zone, because also it's 15 to 17 pips, the one that I'm interested in to take 80% of my positions.
Good.
So it makes perfect sense. Okay, so now what I will do is move my stop loss till the next zone, at least some pips lower.
So you guys understand, yes, what is going on? The entry. I'm just asking the other members, because entry was perfect, and now the managing is also very on point.
Okay,
Yeah, but for me personally, this is it's refreshing for me, because as you know, I'm a very aggressive trader, and I would probably normally trade at the top where it took out the initial green zone with a 5 minute supply. So
yes, I would also personally enter above the 5 minute supply.
Yeah.
Few candles before maybe.
I would have probably entered on these rejections here.
Oh yeah, exactly. It would be. But yeah, we all need some different confirmations and overall view. This is important.
As Oran is doing, there's logic behind it, so you can see why.
Yeah, this is very important to explain only yourself. Yes, why to do what.
Okay, so I'm waiting for a few more. Okay, so what I'm interested is to see if the zone has.
Yeah, this happens some high volume indecision. So you see now on the M5, that's something happened. Yeah, on M5, huge week from downside. So some bad buyers said, "Hey, hello, stop."
2 minutes. It needs on 2 minutes more to close this candle. So let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah.
Very high volume.
So it's going, While going up, the volume is high, but it's getting lower.
Yeah, and take a look. Yes, price created a supply on the M1, on the M1, and it's breaking also of the structure. Yes, from the left side. So what would you do about this one candle? Maybe you would measure it to join. To look for.
Usually this leg outs I measure with 50 to manage.
Yes, and would you enter here by checking the volume?
I don't know, because this one that broke the structure, it's 110, and the one it's 112. The one that is retesting it. Yep. So based on broker's volume, I wouldn't, but real volume maybe would say different.
Yes. So also my short comment. We should also watch the price what it's doing. Yes, because if you are entering the trade after break of structure and decreasing volume on 50, so it's all good. Yes, for late joining the market or something like this. So if now I would be looking for volume and see the 50 as a dangerous, I would say to myself that this is making the setup invalid. Yes, because very high volume, playing around the 50. So if I wouldn't enter here. It's a
No,
question
I
if I
wouldn't
would continue my current position.
I understand that we have still this zone, so we need to take this risk. What I could do is it's move my stop loss because
Yeah, very good.
if this zone doesn't hold, that means that we have. Okay, what I will do.
Yeah, I just hope that you all understand my way of
Yeah,
thinking
I
right now.
understand.
Yes, if something is making joining or stacking the position invalid, if this is really good reason to
Yeah,
hold. Yes.
I understand. You're saying that if you could not enter there, is continuation is that
Yeah.
still valid?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
But I also agree with putting the stop loss above the zone because something is cooking here. I love
Yeah,
the word now, because of
this-
high volume. Yes.
Yeah, because if the whole zone doesn't hold, maybe the buyers are interested to
Yeah.
go higher, and at least we can save two R from our zone because it's 5.8 pips in profit here.
Whoa.
So we are
Yeah.
out.
So something was really cooking there.
Yeah. Let's see.
But
then.
you are almost 2% up. Yes, by good
Yeah.
managing. This is still reward. Good money.
Yeah, maybe some liquidity left here. It isn't retest prior to this 5 minutes fib. Let's see. Okay. Just let me remove the certain charts. Okay. Too many drawings. Price is coming down while going up. Let's see if we can have any other possibility to enter. Okay, so price is near this 50 level in 5 minutes. I'm worried about these. There could be some more
Yeah,
resistance
yeah,
here. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so price is opening with a gap. It means
Yeah.
some bullish pressure here.
Just we need to be careful if that is not a liquidity move from the support on the left, from the left side. Yes, we
Okay,
have
so
the equal lows on the left.
Is it liquidity grab? Oh, I mean, it makes sense because it's high volume. Let's see.
We need to see if this supply you marked will hold the price. Yes, this is very important now. This is critical level right now. If broken, still can mean that buyers are.
I don't think it will help because it's candle almost in the zone opened. Let's see. Okay.
What a perfection.
That's it, the situation. Okay, so we have another supply here. If we enter, I would leave a 4 pips stop loss, and TP I would use the same one that I did in. Okay, 20.
You know what I would do? As a comment, also I agree. I would re-enter here. So I like this idea, but I would test something new, as Stax is now doing, and also Alex. That important wick on the bottom, because here price turned back. The lowest indecision candle. Here on this M1, where the pullback happened, lower, or this one. If you would measure just the lowest wick, lowest part, because here something happened. Here somehow in the middle of nowhere, the buyers turned back. Yes, so check if this is good distance. For me, the
0.5, but okay, so
could be a 1 to the 4 potentially.
I mean, I'm not comfortable leaving below this.
Yes, of
supply
course.
zone.
It's your trade, your session. Yes, I'm just making
Cool.
comment and also trying to test in your session something new, because I'm not doing this usually. But here could be the absorption. Yes, we cannot confirm this by footprint, but for some reason, buyers appeared. Yes, and they broke the last supply also.
Can
So
you check how this correlates on the left-hand side around? What did we see on the left-hand side where this market turned around? Is it in the middle of the imbalance? Okay.
yeah, here was some sell
Yeah.
for further buy.
Yeah.
So I would just measure this week. Maybe this is a safety P. Because also we need to be aware how long time price spent on this supply. Yes, it's not an instant reaction like a fast move back. It's spent whole day in this zone.
Even the move out of supply is also not aggressive. It's very, very choppy.
Yeah. So I would not be so greedy with take profits. Just take what is possible. Yes, if we accept 12 pips, why not? Just testing, of course. No, you don't need to trust me right now. I'm just
Okay,
really interested, very interested on this idea of the weeks.
F4. 3, 5, 5, 1. Okay, so let's see. Because if I would use 3 pip stop loss, it's I think that's
Yeah, there's still another supply. I agree completely. I'm just using my fixed always as a 3 pips. But here's comes the logic. Yes, you want to be
Okay,
safer. So very good.
this I mean it's in the supply zone with low volume. It's a sign that
We are in the good
prices-
side probably.
yeah.
Yeah, very good.
Okay. This looks good. What I would do now is I would move my stop loss till this supply that held the price.
The lower one. Okay.
Yeah. No, I think this one.
Yeah,
Because-
very good. Yes, I agree. There still can be some room for you.
So we reduced almost to 15% the risk. Well, let's see. Price is going down. Well, volume is going down. Well, price is going down. Also, it's one not so good. Let's see here. Even though
Very
I
good.
don't this weekend was leg out, but let's. I mean, it's not so much we can do. Okay, this one is a good sign because bearish candle, high volume in the zone.
Don't be
that
scared.
one-
Yeah.
yeah, it's a bullish one, but
Low
Is the-
volume.
volume. So this zone will help, or at least I'm covered it, even if this zone doesn't help. Okay, this one was nice. It's almost the same candle, rejection, volume is going, it's increasing compared to the bullish one.
Yeah. So these two candles together could be as a huge rejection. Yeah.
Now what I will do, it's I will move my stop loss to the zone that held the price. So a new zone that was created here, below this. So I reduced the risk from 3 pips to 1 pip, so around 66%. So let's see. Okay, so we are covered. It's not that what I would prefer is move this. Just so, okay. Just I was trying to edit
Ah,
stuff.
Yeah. I was just thinking why I'm moving to
I want
take
to-
profit.
Entry.
No. Unintentional. I would leave 1.2 pip stop loss because I just think that this one is I'm not feeling comfortable leaving that one pip because the wick is here. So,
Yeah, could be. Oh,
okay, let's see. Prices, I mean, volume is going down. Also, this candle is opening lower than it finished, so it's a sign that prices don't want to go up.
yeah, just don't like personally the gap. The gap between last two candles.
Yeah.
Some strong impatient buyer joined.
Yeah.
Yeah. For more liquidity.
So this zone war was the main one.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Okay.
happening.
It's a perfect example of why I need to learn moving stop loss up to a better zone because it's happening also in the live trading. Okay, so
Increased volume, we're away.
yeah, just took me out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just by your stop loss exactly. They knew where you would set it. Perfect. Yeah, and price is going
Let's see.
in our direction. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's 1 hour and more than a half, but and I think this. Oh,
Yeah.
this is also a good way if I would try to go to this zone to move my stop loss to this one.
Yeah.
So I would be at 3.3 pips.
Yeah, this could be fast trade. But yeah, but this is your managing, yes. This is how you want to make your wallet safe. So nothing bad. And guys, honestly, I need to think about closing the meeting.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to continue this in yourself.
You just tick forward 4 or 5 candles, let's see if it gets down to the main zone. And
Yeah.
then I think there'll be a good
Because it's 1 hour and 36 minutes.
Okay.
My kid is alone with me. This is
Yeah,
just the one
okay.
reason.
I mean, you can stop recording and we just seeing this candles what it's happening and
A very choppy market.
It's a messy day, to be honest with you. Right,
Yeah.
you did well. It was not an easy day. Not an easy day.
yeah, two big news. One with medium impact and one with high. Too close to each other. Okay.
I think now it's just going to fall off the cliff.
Oh. And it's coming back up. Really, range by range, like a steps. It's crazy.
Okay, so not that I would left any something to think about this zone because it didn't hold up.
Mm.
Yeah, it's creating another support and supply. Ah, crazy.
Whoa.
Did your previous trade still hold when it went up and it wicked up just now?
Would be on the trade, I think.
Oh wow.
Even with that.
And also a question if you would move the stop loss above the strong last zone, yeah. Here's
I
a
would
very big leg out.
Stop loss, yeah. Because I'm thinking if I'm using a bigger account, I wouldn't not risk this profitability for a bigger wave. If it's happen, I want to happen between this range, not going this way because it means.
But you know what it is as well, Orion, yeah? If you look at this, even this week now, right,
Yeah.
is where the inefficient price sat.
Yeah.
So this week hasn't been mitigated, and that gets taken, and then the market moves away.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
Check also about moving the stop loss. or closing manually before. If we have the supply where you mark the 50% currently, the leg out.
Yeah, that's
The
still
lower one, the lower supply. Sorry,
okay. This one.
lower. The pretty oh yes, here. Yes, so usually our stop loss should be above the zone, but it's also good to measure this candle as you make the leg out, and then watching the volume. Yes, if this is increasing volume, it can mean that yes, I wouldn't add another position here because of the volume. So the question, as previously we were talking, is if it is still good to hold this trade if something is dangerous here. Yes.
Yeah, this makes invalid this 15 because it's retesting it with high volume.
Yeah, and also later, another touch of the 50 was even higher volume. Yes, so it's no need to wait only for the supply zone to check if it's broken, but also if so high volume is attacking our 50, our potential imbalance, it could mean that sellers are not ready to hold the price longer, and I would close manually, for example. So always watch the volume, not only the zones.
I want to see price melting now.
Yeah.
Ah.
No, very, very dangerous.
Yeah.
You see, this is
let's
waiting for nothing.
out of control. This looks like equal highs here.
Yeah, so and this is the thing to guess. Yes, we cannot only guessing. We need to see the reaction, and if there are buy setups incoming in the supply zone, yeah, it's for me it's lost today. Yes,
Yeah,
I would not buy in the supply.
It's not for me.
Yeah, okay, guys.
So
Thank you
thank you
very
so
much.
Cool. And
It was good session.
yeah, for
Very
me too.
tricky day. Need a lot of patience. But
Yeah, need to apply more of this patient in my real account.
and I also learned something new. Yes, I will test more and more the measuring the wicks. Yes, the important
Okay,
wicks
so-
which makes some move.
Just another question for stacks. So, how can you define to measure this one? I mean, is there any logic or rule? I mean, there is logic, but any rule that I can apply as a amateur in this wick?
particularly what you've done is what you'd want to do. So basically, you look at areas of supply and you look to see where the wicks have not been mitigated. So effectively here we can see that we are sitting in supply, which you've already marked, right?
Yeah.
This supply gets respected here, gets respected here. However, when it gets tested here, we leave behind an inefficient wick, which doesn't take in 50%. So 50% is what we want to see as full mitigation of any inefficient price on the lower time frame that sits in this area. So on the second time frame, this could be quite a bit of absorption. Comes back, respects here, mitigates that position, and then sells.
Okay, I see.
So you want to look for these areas in and around, as you've done, areas of interest, supply and demand, equal highs, and see whether it kind of holds.
And also in simple words, the wick which started bigger move. Yes,
Yeah.
the whole wave is pretty nice. Yes, it was 15 pips or something like this. So here could be absorption or big fight. Yes, which we are not able to see right now. Also,
I see.
it was the reason why I measured the wick as a TP. Yes, from our cell. Because it was the bullish pressure, only bullish candles back to the top to the supply. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bullish candles. So it's also a big move. So I would measure the wick in this case for looking for a TP. So bigger waves. Yes, if bigger wave began with the wick,
Okay.
there could be something. Yes, this is also something new for me, but it makes a lot of sense and it's working. Yes, this is how the strategies are created. By
Again, it's
observing
another thing
something
that, we're
repeatable.
only looking on the 1 minute time frame, but as we said on the second time frame, this is exactly what we look for on the 1 minute time frame. This is the supply.
Yeah, okay, I'm trying to see if I can find an example, but yeah, it's already a long session, so thank you guys so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thanks for doing our own.
I'm happy that I can also still learn something from you guys. This is amazing. Yes, this is what I love in this community. That everyone is learning.
Yeah, if you learn one thing every day, so 30, 365
Yeah.
new things per year.
It's either going to benefit you or it's going to confuse you.
Yeah, it depends. It's why we have beliefs, and we then created our mindset based on these beliefs or new beliefs.
Yeah, exactly. As you Uran found maybe something new about your ranging market in with small candles and delta shift. This is wonderful.
Yeah,
Yes.
I will try to find as much as I can examples of these and see if most of the time this is working.
Yeah, you can share this with group or just use it for
Yeah,
yourself to be profitable. Yeah.
I did not test it that much time to share it on the group, because someone will take this as a
100% rule. Yeah.
That's I don't want to indicate in this one till I get some more data.
Okay, so once again, thank you guys, and wish you
thank
a
you so
great
much.
weekend, and see you on Tuesday probably.
Thank you.
So
guys.
thank you,
Thank
and
you, and
have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye bye.